channel. On your screens, we are looking at the stock price of CEA Industries, and today the stock is up 2.68%, trading at $1.17 a share. Yesterday, the stock closed at $1.14, and today it opened at the same price, $1.14. However, during the course of today's trading, the stock has gone from $1.14 all the way up to $1.32. We still have about 3 hours to the close of market today, and the volume of shares of CEA Industries is right now at 1.3 million shares that have exchanged hands, compared to an average volume of 1.5 million shares. The market capitalization remains at 9.7 million US dollars. So of course, we remember that CEA Industries just recently signed a secure letter of intent with the Green Brothers Farm for a potential $10 million in revenue deal, and that will last over a period of years. Also, we have to remember that, let's see here, what else do we have concerning CEA Industries? So that's the major PR that we have. And CEA Industries, what they do is they help people, build greenhouses, and they can provide engineering services for the racks on which plants will be growing, the lighting, irrigation, and pest mitigation. So it's a one-stop shop for people who intend to grow stuff under controlled environment. So that's what the company does, and it's been a very popular company recently. And if you look at the stock price, you can see over the past 5 days how the stock ran on Tuesday after Juneteenth when the market opened, and since then it has dropped a little bit. But if you look at again the 5 day graph, you can see that if you go back to Thursday last week, the stock hasn't really lost any value. If anything, it has gained a little bit. So we keep a watch on this. It has that capability of every now and then running up, and if you are lucky enough and catch it, you can actually make a good buck. So it's a company to keep an eye on. And so far today, the stock market doesn't seem to have budged very much. If anything, most stocks seem to have traded sideways. So the S&P 500 has barely moved. It's now down 0.27%. The Dow 30 is down 0.45%. Nasdaq up 0.19%, and the Russell 2000 is down 0.08%. That's what I had to share with you guys concerning CEA Industries, that the stock is up 5.13% and trading at $1.19. We expect this stock to rise over the next couple of weeks. Of course, there might be days when the stock goes in the red, but the general trend for this stock, we think, is going to be upward. And at times it might run really hard, at times a little bit less so. Do your own due diligence. That's not investment advice. And please, after you have made your decision, be cautious, because we are not sure yet if this bear market has reached a bottom. Bye now. On your way out, don't forget to smash that subscribe button. We are slowly growing, and we intend to hit 1,000 subscribers by the midterm elections in November. Bye now.